Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to share a very important thing, which is many of you guys are very interested in doing dropshipping and making money online just by spending a couple of hours on internet. So the big problem in dropshipping is finding winning products and selling them online. And many of the beginners will struggle to find a winning products. Some paid tools available to find winning products, like sales tracking tools and some tools which can help you to find the ads which are running on the platforms. But for Indians, there are no many tools available, and only few tools are allowing Indians to use. But this particular tool which I'm going to share is made by me and my team, and it's like my startup. It's an Indian dropshipping tool. As of now, I think this is the only Indian dropshipping tool available right now for finding products, and you can track sales of competitors with accuracy up to 99%. There are some spy tools already available, but these are something totally different, and the tool name is called Dropzone.io. This tool can help you to track sales of competitors products. So all you want to do is like just go to dropzone.io website, and you can click get started for free, and you can join the Discord server to start using. And these are the features, like you can get automated sales notifications every time your competitor gets a sale. Let's say that I have a Shopify store, and you guys want to track my store. You can add my store URL, like product URL, and every time I get a sale, you guys will get a notification on the Discord saying that this particular product has got a sale. So this can make your work a lot easier to find a winning products, because this can save time. So you don't need to wait. You can find a winning products, and then you can start running ads rather than testing a lot of products which are not winning products and not don't have a lot of potential. And the best part is like this particular tool has accuracy of like up to 99%, which is really good comparing to other spy tools, because most of the spy tools works on some algorithms and some formulas like AI algorithms, which just predicts or guess the sales data based on some criterias. But this particular spy tool is to track the sales accurately. But still, if you guys are tracking the stores which is not getting a lot of visitors or not getting sales, then the accuracy can be low. It's not like every single product can get accuracy of 99%. It can be 98, sometimes it can be 95, sometimes it can be 90 sometimes. But in the end, whatever the accuracy is, you can find if the product is really selling good for competitors. You can find that that's a winning product, that product has got some potential, and you can obviously test it on your stores. So these are some features which other spy tools are not having. These are totally different. You can track stores from your mobile phone, and you can get notifications, like instant sales notifications, which will send you notifications every second after your competitor get a sale. Or like you can opt for 4 hours sales notifications, which is you get a sales notifications every 4 hours, like the sales data. It will show like in the last 4 hours your competitor has, this particular store has got this much of sales, and this is a total value, this is a product name, like that. So you can opt for that as well. And this is like a bot which is like automated algorithms which tracks the stores, saves the data and show it to you. You can also check the sales data manually, and this feature is still in the starting stage. There are a lot of other features which is also going to be launched soon. So the third feature is winning products. You can get a list of winning products every week, and these are manually found and hand-picked products, which is going viral at the moment. So these things are like cannot be provided by other dropshipping spy tools. These things has to be done only by the people who got some experience and who are doing dropshipping currently, and we are providing that too. So you don't need to waste time on uh, non-potential products. And other features are like these are going to be launched soon. You can create product pages just by using the product URLs, and this is how the sales notification looks. Every time a competitor get a sale, you get a notification like this. It's so simple, just add the competitor URL and you get a notification. So this is a pricing. So that is a free plan. through which you can join the Discord server and you can get a chance to speak with other people who are doing dropshipping. Also, you can track products and you can check how it's working. So this can be really helpful for you guys. But in a free plan, the winning products list are not going to be given. It's only available in the paid tools. It will be available in the standard and the premium plan. So the prices are a little higher right now, but it will be reduced and will be accessible for all the people. Also, the number of products that you can track can also be increased in the future. Currently it shows 10 products can be tracked, but it can be increased in the future. So these are some things that you can get, weekly sales notifications, daily sales notifications. You can track a lot of products. So now I'm just going to join to the Discord server. Once you joined, you will be headed to this particular channel where you can learn how to use the commands. There is a video with all the commands explained. And then if you haven't choose the subscription plan on the website, you can subscribe to the plan on the Discord server as well. Just type slash subscribe and then you will get the list of plans available. You can choose a plan and you can make a payment on the Discord server itself, and then you get a premium access to track the products. So there is a link to pay. You can click and you can make a payment and you can get access. If you already paid on the website, like you made a payment on the website, there is no issues. You can join the server and tracking. You can start tracking. So to track the product URL, you just need to use the command slash track products and then enter the competitor URL like product URL and the currency. You can use whatever currency you want. This option is not available on other spy tools. You can only track in US dollars in other spy tools, but Dropzone has a feature like you can track products which has it, which is in various currencies. So now I'm just going to do a demo to show how it works. So there is a store called Fully Flimmy, which is Tamil Nadu based t-shirt store. And not just t-shirts, they sell variety of products. It's like a print and demand, but something like a big store. So there are some products. So I'm going to choose a product and I'm going to copy the product URL. So let's choose this particular product. I'm going to copy the product URL and I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to give the currency. It should be in the code format INR. You should not give the simple. You should give the code, so INR. And then I'm just going to track. So it will also ask you for the preferences. You can set up the preferences like 24 hours of instant sales notifications. So I'm just going to give yes for the notification so that you can get the notifications. If you don't want to get notifications, you can click no and you can check it manually. So now the product is added to track. So after, from this moment, the product is to track the sales data. It can give the data in real time. It collects real time data and will let you know whether the product is making sales or not. So if you use the command check tracking, you can see the number of products which is already added to tracking. So these are some products which I have added. So I'm going to click the product which I have added now. You can see it's showing the sales data. It can be 0 because I just added it now. You just have to wait for a couple of hours until it collects data. So it won't collect the data in the past. It only collects the data from the moment you add the product URL to track. So it will give you these data like product creation date, price, and then the product name. Also you can see the supplier details like what fulfillment method they use, and also it will give you a graph based on the sales data, based on sales and number of sales and time. That also, if you want to stop tracking a product, you can use the command slash stop tracking and choose the product and it will be stopped from tracking. If you think that particular product is not a winning product, you can stop it and you can add some other products. Also, there are some other commands as well, which is like top products, through which you can see the list of winning products. Right now we have changed it to manual. Like we used to manually update these products, like we find winning products manually and update them as well. So these are like the features that we have launched on Dropzone. It's still in the beginning stage and a lot of other features are going to be included, which is AI features like AI product page and a website creation. So As of now, if you're struggling to find a winning products, this particular tool can be really helpful. There is going to be a channel, separate channel for updating the winning products every week or like every month. We find products, we test them. If we get sales, we used to update it on the channel so that the paid users can look and they can test and they can make money. So these are features which is not going to be available on other stores, sorry, on other your other spy tools or like dropshipping tools. Most of them are just collecting the users data and they are just providing it, mentioning it as winning products, but these things are a little different. And this is 100% like a paid promotion, because this is my particular tool and this video is made to promote that. And I think there is nothing wrong about it, and I just want you guys to try it and just let me know on the comments how the tool is. And you can also contact me on Instagram regarding the tool. And I just want the honest opinions from you guys. Just check it. If even if you don't want to try, you can join the Discord server and connect with other dropshippers. So it can be a networking opportunity as well. So this can help you to connect with other people and to learn. So you can try it for free, and if you love the tool, you can make a decision on choosing the paid plans. uh, just check it and just let me know the feedback on the Instagram and on my YouTube comments. Check it and just let me know.